What's up, world? So we got entertainment, television. Remember, we love, we bless, we special, and we very unique in our own way, just like everybody else. I want you to imagine holding a bird in your hand. You see all this beauty, you see all this colors, freedom. You love that bird. But when you tighten the grip on that bird, you hurt that bird. Trying to keep that bird, putting your grip on it, bring pain to that bird. Same thing in life. Sometimes we love things so much it hurt us, and we gotta let it go. Go. That we love, blessed, we unique.